Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a special shell stitch called Kyla pattern, Kyla shell stitch pattern. This shells are made with 3 HTC cluster, chain 2 times and 3 HTC cluster. So this is a shell that is made, the stitch indicated. To make this pattern, we require a multiple of 8 plus 2 as the foundation chains. So let me make a multiple of 8 plus 2 foundation chains and get back to you. I have made 2 multiples of 8 plus 2 chains. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 3 chains and make a shell. Shell consists of 3 HTC cluster, chain 2, sorry, this is the first 3 HTC cluster, chain 2, another 3 HTC cluster, chain 2, chain 1, skip 3, SC in the next, skip 3 chains, again shell in the next. So 3 HTC cluster 2 times and 3 HTC cluster, chain 1 2 times and 3 HTC cluster in the next chain, and then skip 3 and chain SC. Continue the stitch instructions. I shall meet you at the end. So we are left with 4 chains here. Place a single crochet in the very last chain. This completes row 1. So row 3, chain 3, and row 2, chain 3 and turn, or make a twisted double crochet in the very first stitch. BC in the same stitch. Chain 2, skip the first HTC cluster and single crochet in the second HTC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC in the single crochet, chain 2, skip the first HTC cluster and in the middle HTC cluster place a single crochet, chain 2, 2 DC in the last chain, chain 2, turn, HTC, chain 2, 3 HTC cluster in the same stitch, actually we are making the half shell here. SC in the next single crochet, skip the first DC and make shell in the next. Shell consists of 3 DC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC cluster, This stitch works very well with the DK weight yarn and fingering weight yarn, and with a little one size larger hook. Chain 1, SC in the next single crochet, and in the last stitch three HTC cluster, chain 2 and 2 HTC cluster. Chain 1 and turn single crochet in the HTC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC in the single crochet here, chain 2, skip the first HTC cluster and single crochet in the next HTC cluster, chain 2, three DC in the next SC, chain 2 and SC in the last stitch, chain 1, SC in the first SC, skip 1 DC and cluster, shell, 3 DC cluster, chain 2, 3 DC cluster, chain 2, three DC cluster, chain 1, SC in next SC, skip the first DC and shell in the next, chain 1 and place your single crochet in the last stitch. So this completes one complete stitch pattern. Repeat our rows 2 to 5. So you repeat the pattern, repeat the rows 2 to 5 to the desired length of your pattern. Of course, this is a yarn knitting pattern. It is good for making afghans and shawls. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.